Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the battery chemistry because charging and cutoff thresholds differ. Li-ion needs tight voltage control. Once verified, mount the voltage regulator and current sensor on a breadboard so you can measure live values. Make sure to wire a fuse and an emergency cutoff switch. This protects cells during testing. You'll program a simple microcontroller to read voltage and current, then set thresholds for charge, trickle, and cutoff. This gets you into an immediate, testable baseline fast. Once done with the basic wiring, you design the control logic that enforces those thresholds. Set charge, top-off, float, and deep discharge cutoff points. You'll use PWM through MOSFET to regulate current efficiently while monitoring actual battery voltage via the ADC. Make sure to include temperature sensing so cutoffs shift roughly 0. 5 to 1 degree per cell to prevent overcharge in heat. Then code hysteresis to avoid rapid toggling. Finally, test in small steps and log readings for validation. To finish, transfer the circuit into a secure, insulated housing with ventilation and a clear status LED or display so you can monitor at a glance. You should run 3 to 5 full charge and discharge cycles while logging voltage, current, and temperature to confirm stability. If something goes wrong, start by isolating the affected cell and checking sensor wiring and calibration. You'll often find a loose shunt or an offset in the ADC. Replace faulty components, then repeat the validation cycles before regular use.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.